Hi friends, Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions bringing you today's Tech Tip Tuesday. I wanted to share this solution that was just a question that was just emailed to me. How do we reference existing plans into new plans? This is what I've done. First of all, I've got a beautiful home laid out here for existing conditions. And then I'm going to do a file save as, and this is new conditions. And then I'm going to draw my little addition and make whatever changes are necessary, right? First of all, let's make sure we have the right wall types and setting 6 new, delete that, and we'll do our little addition out here like so. And let's say we're going to delete this wall here and like that. And now we have our gorgeous addition with some windows like that. How do we show this new, how do we show that existing conditions back here? I'm going to go back to my dashboard and pull up existing plan. So we've got both of them open. How do we reference the two together? And I actually reference the new over the existing sometimes, so I see what windows or doors and walls have been moved, so I know what areas to highlight and hatch and note that this is getting moved or removed or whatever. But here's the new. I'm going to click on the change floor reference button. We're on floor 1. I'm going to click on the number 1. And then I'm going to notice that it's referencing the new plan right now. So if I had a foundation or an attic view, I could turn on a reference, or second floor, I could see what's above or below, right? Because that's in new. Well, I want to reference the, first of all, let me back up, slow down. I created a saved plan view called reference existing plan. And that I will change the floor reference to existing. And then in my template, I've created a what in the world? Why is it not? Huh. That's something new, maybe in X16. Typically, it's reference display. Did we get rid of reference display? Let me cancel this and do this again. Reference display layer. Layer set, right there. Reference display layer set. Curious. Typically, they're right next to each other. Reference display existing is the layer set that I've created. And if we define that, that's actually coming from the, let me go back to existing here. Reference display existing. That's the layer set that's in the existing file. And we'll define that. And you'll notice I've turned on only certain layers, and the layers that I want turned on, well, actually all the layers, I've changed to this gray color and a dashed line type, line style. So now we see the gray and dashed. One more thing to note is I see gray and dashed kind of through all of the line, even the walls and doors here. Let's see if we can change that. Let's say doors, for instance. Doors. I'm going to change to red so you can kind of really highlight what I'm seeing on the screen. Yeah, see how it's red over this door? It really this door hasn't moved, but I don't want to see the red. So it's important to go back into this and put the existing under the new. So I'm going to move down and click OK. I can still kind of see the red, but let's take that off from highlight, the highlight red there, and we'll change that back to the gray color that these are. And you won't even see the difference. So it's underneath kind of the draw order, of the objects that are present, but where there's no object present, then it appears on your plan. Now, I did a file save as, so my X and Y aren't moved, but if you wanted somehow to move that, you can change your X and Y dimensions here. So let's move that, say 12 inches X, 12 inches Y, and we'll say 30-degree angle, and you can actually see what that does. It moved it over here. So if for some reason you did move that over and you wanted to adjust it, say somehow when you drew the new plan, you moved it 12 inches over, you could adjust that back to where it was. So let's take this angle out. You see that it moved 12 inches to the right and 12 inches up. That's a new thing, I think, with 15. It might have been 14. I don't remember. But since I did a file save as, the X and Y coordinates of the house did not move, so I leave this at 0. Generally, I don't play with anything but the name and the layer set. And there you have it. Hope that helps. If you like this, click like and subscribe down there. Otherwise, have a great week. Please do click like and subscribe. It helps the algorithm. Take care.